I reveled in moments of consequence, even if the consequence is just a minor personal sporting event. Still, you are given the opportunity in a moment to do a thing, and your performance, will be what it will be, but it's this singular moment that you prepare for. And what competitions taught me was that it taught me discipline in preparation for that moment. And it taught me that sometimes, even if it's uncomfortable, you have to voluntarily put yourself in a position to fail or succeed. But that's what entering a competition is, right? You're signing up to show up on Saturday afternoon, and finals are at 6 p.m. whether you like it or not, and hopefully you made the cut, but you signed up to be in that moment of pressure. And sometimes you have to voluntarily do that 6 months ahead of time, whatever it may be. And that act may be uncomfortable. But then once you're committed, it unfolds this awesome path of the preparation and of seeing what you're capable of when the lights turn on.